Good morning, my dear students. This is AFM Yusuf, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Milestone College. My dear students, today I am going to discuss about the creative question of non-metallic part of chapter 10. Look at the whiteboard. Dear students, it is given here zinc blend is heated with atmospheric oxygen to produce compound A and compound B. The conditions are given here. Compound A is an ionic compound and compound B is a covalent compound. And the question is, how does zinc extract from compound A? And number C, a dehydrating acid is possible to produce from compound B of the stem analysis. Now I am going to discuss about the question C. Firstly you have to write the reaction according to the step. Zinc blend. The chemical name of zinc blend is actually zinc sulfide. You know that zinc blend is an ore of zinc metal. Zinc sulfide is heated with atmospheric oxygen to produce zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide. You know that zinc oxide means compound A, because zinc oxide is an ionic compound. Here zinc is metal and oxygen is non-metal, and sulfur dioxide is covalent compound. Sulfur dioxide is indicated B of the stem. Here sulfur is non-metal and oxygen is also non-metal. That's why sulfur dioxide is a covalent compound. And zinc metal can be extracted from zinc oxide. For this purpose, zinc oxide is mixed with coke, and the mixture is heated by natural gas minimum 24 hours in a retort. Then zinc oxide is reduced by coke to produce zinc metal and carbon monoxide. Here the produced zinc is 97 to 98% pure. That's why the produced zinc is refined through the electrolysis process to produce 99% zinc. Question number D. Zinc sulfide plus oxygen equals to zinc oxide plus sulfur dioxide. My dear students, from the sulfur dioxide sulfuric acid can be produced, and concentrated sulfuric acid is actually dehydrating agent. If I show you a reaction, suppose this is ethanol and concentrated sulfuric acid, then concentrated sulfuric acid absorbs water from ethanol to produce ethene gas. That's why sulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent. The substances which absorb water from another substance are known as dehydrating agent. So here actually the acid of the question indicates sulfuric acid, and sulfuric acid can be produced from sulfur dioxide. For this purpose, sulfur dioxide is mixed with atmospheric oxygen, and in the presence of vanadium pentoxide catalyst at 450 to 550 degree centigrade temperature, it is heated to produce sulfur trioxide gas. Here, dear students, here also 1 atm pressure is applied. Then the produced sulfur trioxide is passed to the concentrated sulfuric acid to produce pyrosulfuric acid H2S2O7. This pyrosulfuric acid is also known as fuming sulfuric acid. Then required amount of water is added with pyrosulfuric acid to produce sulfuric acid. By this process, sulfuric acid, which is a dehydrating agent, can be produced from sulfur dioxide, I mean compound B. That's all about the creative question. My dear students, in our next class, we will discuss about the another creative question of this chapter.